Atlassian today announced their enterprise release for Confluence, and as per Atlassian, the next enterprise release for Confluence will be Confluence version 7.4. And this is really exciting and important news for all of us, especially those who are using Confluence, because I think for the very first time, Atlassian has announced well in advance that Confluence 7.4 will be their next enterprise release. So I was reading their notification on the Atlassian community, and they have written this article where they're talking about this release of Confluence 7.4. It will become available in around March or April next year in 2020. The good news is that we now know already that Confluence 7.4 will be the enterprise release. Now, so this is important. So why this is important? First of all, if we talk about the enterprise releases, I actually made a video on this topic already. I'll probably share the link. But let me summarize. Atlassian and enterprise releases are basically the releases that will continue to get security updates, critical bug fixes. So basically, when they have the support window of 2 years, they will continue to receive those security bugs. And this is really important because for big companies or enterprises with huge or massive Jira instances, they cannot really afford to have their Jira or Confluence being upgraded 3 times, 4 times a year. They can only afford to upgrade it maybe once in a year. And in those cases where you know that it will take significant amount of time, effort, resources to upgrade their instances, they just want to ensure that if they upgrade, they should upgrade to enterprise release. Because let us say if I'm the Jira administrator of, let us say, a big instance. I'm working for maybe a huge organization where Jira is being used or Confluence is being used by thousands of users with millions of issues or maybe possibly millions of pages. Uh, in that case, it will be a cumbersome process to upgrade these instances. So if I upgrade, let us say, my Jira to version 8.5 or maybe Confluence 6.13, which is the current enterprise release. But if I know that in March of 2020, my Jira, or no, not Jira, but Confluence 7.4 will be the enterprise release, I can do some preparation already. I can plan to upgrade my Confluence maybe in March. And when Atlassian announces this information, and when we know that it will happen in March or April, we have, I think, enough time to do some checks or maybe to make sure that all the add-ons are compatible. And this is really a nice thing from Atlassian to tell us in advance. Now, if you want to know more about the Atlassian enterprise releases, you can take a look at this page, and you can also learn about how the enterprise releases work. So this is something that I wanted to share in this video, and I think it is really important for all Jira administrators, all the stakeholders who are responsible for Jira and Confluence, because these tools are used by companies for delivering projects, delivering work, and people rely on these tools for their day-to-day activities. So having this knowledge well in advance will give these Jira administrators quite a lot of time to at least make sure they start preparing for the next upgrade. So this is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you learned and you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much.